Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with strips using WebStarts. A strip is a full width section of a WebStarts page. You can see when I click on this strip and then I drag it, it moves all of the attached elements along with it. For example, this text. I can also move text and the like independently just by selecting it and then dragging it on its own. You can add a strip to your page by clicking on Add and then choosing Box, and then choose to either add a strip directly like that, or you can click on Add and then choose Box, and then you can convert any box to a strip and any strip back down to a box by clicking on the attached full width icon. If you need to create space on your page to add a strip, you can select your elements or strip and then use the smart drag handle here to create that space. That will allow you to go back, click on box, and add your strip and have a place to put it. Use the handles to expand the height of your strip, or you can manually type in the pixel height of your strip by clicking on the resize by value icon that's attached to the strip. To apply a photo to the background of a strip, click on the settings cog while the strip is selected and then click add image. You can then choose an image that you've uploaded from your local computer, or of course you can choose an image from the image library or even pick one from your Facebook account. Once you've chosen that image, you'll have some image options, like you can show the actual size of the image. You can crop the image to look nice, which is the default setting, or you can make the image fit, in which case it will potentially show repeats of the image if you have tiling. I'm going to choose no tiling, and you can see that that just allows there to be some gray space out here with a single photo in that strip. Here you can see what tile horizontal looks like, and then tile vertical just means that the taller I make this strip, then you'll see repeats of the image going that way as well. But I'm going to just set these things back to their default, which is crop. And then I'm going to show you that you can also choose to make different parts of an image the focal point. So for example, if I wanted this bottom section to be the focal point, I'd click on the bottom of this alignment. If I want the top to be the focal point, I'd click on the top middle. I can also click on top right and top left, so on and so forth. Down here at the bottom, you have image effects. You can add parallax to a strip. So if I add parallax, what that will do is it will have any of the elements, for example, this title that I'm adding, scroll a little bit slower than the scroll of the page and create kind of a 3D effect. And then reverse parallax is just the opposite. And then fixed will just keep that image fixed in its place while the other content on the page scrolls over the top. I can also add a video to the background of my strip. I click on remove image, I click add video, and then I can upload a video and make that the background for my strip, or I can choose a YouTube video. If you do choose a YouTube video, make sure you choose one that doesn't have any watermarks or title segments to look professional. So background HD video. Let's see if we can find one here that doesn't have anything interfering with the appearance, like for example a title or so on and so forth. So you can see there that's kind of a neat effect with that video applied to the background. I'm going to go ahead and select the strip, then I'm going to remove that video. You can change the color of a strip by selecting it, clicking on the color fill tool, and then just choosing the color that you want to make the strip. You can also further customize the style of a strip by clicking on the style brush. Here you can see if I choose this style, what it will do is add a drop shadow, since that's the styling. To see that, I'll have to select the strip below it, create a little bit of space. There you can see the shadow that's applied. You can further customize the style by clicking on the custom style link, and those options will have to be unlocked by upgrading to a premium account, but you can do everything from adjust the border to the shadow and just about anything you could imagine. You can also add an animation to your strip. Just select the strip, click on the animation icon, choose the animation that you would like to apply, and then that will be applied to all the elements that are attached to the strip. If you would like your text, for example, to have a different animation than the strip itself, select the text independently, choose the other animation that you want to be displayed, save your changes, and what you'll notice is that the strip will have the first animation applied, and then the individual element will have the second animation applied or come in after it. Another way to add a strip to a page is to add a content section. You can do that by clicking Add Content Blocks, choosing a content section, and then clicking on it. That way it will add a strip to the bottom of your page that has some pre-configured content that saves you the time and hassle of trying to place all these elements in the right position and come up with new layouts for information that you want to display on your web page. Just like all the other strips, you can customize the background color and just about everything else about it. That just about covers it for strips using WebStarts. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website and see more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.